You're Chopper John.
I am, indeed.
Oh.
And when you hear me who defend it, even when it should not and cannot be defended, telling you that I'm struggling, talking to you as a laborite.
Reality check, man, from your device, you know it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, the foundation is already laid. It's now time to build the house. To build the house, it is going to take a lot of discipline. So it simply means we're going to have to make priority here. We're going to have to give up some things if we want that beautiful house. We have to put in some sacrifice if we want that beautiful house. Because where we're at right now is no time for complacency. No time for complacency. I'm talking to the independent of Jamaica. I'm talking to the laborite who is feeling the pressure. And I am talking to the comrade them who still no want to go vote. So there is no time for complacency. The election done Monday night. And Tuesday, my work began. Because my work is all about rescuing Jamaica from this Andrew Holness-led administration who is leading us over a cliff. And if we don't rescue Jamaica, we are in big, big problem. So there is no victory lap for Aromatic. The work has just begun for Aromatic. No room for error. No room for complacent. No sit down on your ass and idle around here. No rum and boom roll out ganja spliff. We not depend that. The mission is all about rescue Jamaica. And that me zoom in pan. And that's me focus there. And that's me interest there. And that's me zeal there. And that's me passion there to rescue Jamaica from the illness administration.
Matic been there before. A whole heap of fight to fight. This is Romain Berger, big up Aromatic, Realistic TV, YouTube. Check them out. You don't know. Whole heap of love. Every time.
So the PMP need to go do some work, you know. The high authority in the PMP need to do some work. We don't need to touch base. We don't indoor agency them. We don't run at them. We don't cluster manager and the delegates them. Because we don't need to have them go over the voters list and find out who for name come off. Find out all of the youngster them who come next year will be 18 and can vote to make sure so you don't carry them go any electoral office in our parish or community but make them get numerate. Because you can't left no stone unturned. You see what take place on Monday night. There is no room for error around here. The order of the day, when a man is down, you keep him down. Don't give that man no life. No give him no energy. Because if you give him life, you're in a trouble. So they are down. And they must stay down. So no complacency around here. No victory lap. No celebration. The celebration is 2025. When the general election announced. And we the people of Jamaica see the back of Andrew Holness and his administration. That's when we can start to celebrate a little. But no time for complacency around here. When you're down, we keep you down. No life we not give you. To rejuvenate, to come back pan we. Because that will spell danger. So I have some clip here to show you the reason why we know say them down and them out. Because when you have a cliff views, can give an interview about the Prime Minister of Jamaica and telling you that he is hemorrhaging. He is hemorrhaging. And the first since he come to office in political future was in jeopardy. You know say a trouble in a John shop. So I'm going to play cliff views and then we will dissect it.
His cabinet, his political operatives at Belmont Road, and his network of Labour Party supporters across the country, they need to get to work fast. Political support.
His networks of Labour Party supporters across the country need to get to work and to get to work fast. You hear what I say? And this I went couple months ago. But they did not. And you see the price what them pay. So me say when a man down, you keep them down. Continue, Cliff.
Draining away. It's hemorrhaging. The Holness administration is now faced with its biggest political crisis since coming to power.
Political support for the Prime Minister is draining. It's draining away. The Holness administration face its biggest political crisis since it come to power. Support for the Prime Minister is draining, is hemorrhaging. The man in a trouble, in a problem. And I know me say that, a Cliff you said that. So my word to Uno out there, the independence of Jamaica, the labor right, them want switch where they feel the pressure. And the comrade them where they wishy-washy. I said when a man is down, you keep them down. The foundation has laid. The real work begin now. So you no farm fool on yourself and get complacent. There is no room around here for error. There is no room around here for nonsense. If we want Jamaica to rescue and go back on the right track, it means that we have to move this Andrew Holness administration out of power. And the work began now. I'm gonna play a next clip with Eroy Clark and the JLP chopping block. They're social media warriors. The warriors them who they use to win 2016 election and 2020 election.
To our social media warriors like Keisha Mack, Alex Hicks, Selena, Oral Campbell, Bridget Watson, Donovan De Paz, Black Italian, Jay Brown, Alex Jano, Mr. and Mrs. Dottyman, Chopper John West from the Chopping Block, who is our personal Ian Harding. I know that 85% or so of us sitting in.
I want you to listen to that name. Chopper John West from the Chopping Block, who is our personal Ian Harding. Chopper John West from the Chopping Block, who is our personal Ian Harding.
Parliament can attest to the measurable support of the Chopping Block, especially during the election season.
That 85% of them who sitting at the parliament right there can give a test to the chopping block, especially in the election season, who met them in the House of Parliament. The chopping block are them social media warrior. Are them then use and win the 2016 election. When then take Portia body and put pan drankro, pan dog, pan bike back, all over the place. It was the social media warriors of the Jamaica Labour Party that they use to do such thing. In 2020, the warriors again, them use do such thing. But come in 2024, them buck up on some big chess man out here. The Lonesome, the Aromatic Realistic TV, the Anisabel Rose, the Mystic Sensation, the Wilford Rattigan them, and many others. When run come up in a roadblock this time around, so the chopping block is nowhere to be found. The chopping block is nowhere to be found. Chopper John West from the chopping block, who is our personal Ian Arden. A lot of the members them were sit down in the house can give a test. So if it wasn't for the chopping block, none of them wouldn't sit down in a parliament today. Especially during the election season. But where were they this time around? They're running a stone wall. We don't do conspiracy theory. We don't do tabloid. We don't do gossip. We don't do propaganda. So there is no way, why you can't use conspiracy theory, and override righteousness. There is no way evil can overcome good, And that's the reason why you can stay in the dark and see in the light. But you cannot stay in the light and see in the dark. Because darkness is evil. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, the next clip that I want to show to you guys is Chopper John West himself from the chopping block. The man who Eli Clark said is them personal Ian Arden. We know Ian Arden is a top reporter. And when somebody gonna put you in the category of a Ian Arden, that simply means to say you are doing an exceptional job. That's how they rate Chopper John West from the chopping block. But I want you to hear what Chopper John have to tell Cliff Hughes. Say, take it away.
Okay, 100%.
Oh, you're Chopper John.
I am indeed.
Oh.
And when you hear me who defend it, even when it should not and cannot be defended, telling you that I'm struggling, talking to you as a laborite.
Is this Chopper?
Absolutely, 100%.
Oh, you're Chopper John.
I am indeed.
Oh.
And when you hear me who defend it, even when it should not and cannot be defended, telling you that I'm struggling, talking to you as a laborite.
Is this Chopper?
Absolutely, 100%.
Oh, you're Chopper John.
Yeah.
I am indeed.
Oh.
And when you hear me who defend it, even when it should not and cannot be defended, telling you that I'm struggling, talking to you as a laborite.
Is this Chopper?
That's Chopper John West from the chopping block, who Eli Clark said that man is our personal Ian Arden. And here I'm tell Cliff Hughes say, as Cliff Hughes asks, you are Chopper John. What did he say? I am indeed. When you hear me who defend it, even when it should not and cannot be defend, telling you that I am struggling talking to you as a labor right. Or should we interpret it? It is the behavior of the prime minister, or the man just a struggle financially? Or should we interpret it? It's kind of puzzling, because there's two things. It's either the way or the prime minister that deal with poor people and him not like it, or financially the man just financially embarrassed, not have nothing, and he see where the money just go to one set of people. And as a member of the chopping block, them social media warrior, them social media bloggers who do the work for them, telling you that something not right in the camp. So when we say when a man is down, you have to put your foot in his neck and bring him down. You can't give him no life. You can't give him no chance. Because if you give him no chance, you're in a trouble. Big problem. So I will continue to tell the people of Jamaica, there is no time for complacency. The work has just begun. The journey to success come 2025, when the general election call to rescue Jamaica. The work now go easy. But the campaign start. What the man tell Cliff Hughes said Jamaica? When Cliff Hughes asks this loyal, patriot, supporter who dedicate him life to the Jamaica Labour Party, when Cliff Hughes asks, are you Chopper John? He said, I am indeed. When you hear me who defend it, even when it should not be and cannot be defended, telling you that I am struggling talking to you as a labor right. What that say Jamaica? Eh? What that say? Chopper John West from the chopping block is suffering and cannot take it anymore. So when you blogger them, they turn upon you. The people them who fight night and day, spread conspiracy theory, tell lie, propaganda, to put you where you are, and know them they switch fire. Cliff Hughes asks, you are Chopper John? I am indeed. When you hear me who defend it, even when it should not and cannot be defended, telling you that I am struggling, telling you, Cliff Hughes, that I am struggling. The man what Eli Clark just boasts about on the clip in the House of Parliament, say Chopper John West from the chopping block, who is our personal Ian Harding. He give him the highest praise to put him in the category of the reporter Ian Harding. It tell you something about Chopper John. And Chopper John is telling Cliff Hughes. Is telling Cliff Hughes, I am indeed, when you hear me who defend it, even when it should not and cannot be defended, telling you that I am struggling talking to you as a labor right. Jamaica, fish come from sea, come tell us say deep. You have to believe it. You have to believe. Them say if it take sleep and mark death. The people them what bring this man to success, what fight night and day, what tell lie, gossip, conspiracy theory, false rumor. You hear what the man say? Even when he can't defend, me defend it. And that the man saying, when you hear me who defend it, even when it should not and cannot be defended, but me still do it. And that Chopper John they tell Cliff Hughes, who only turn him back from the whole like people they me look like. And only they deal with in 1% friend them. So I have to tell my people so that they can be aware of the facts that there is no time for complacency. The journey into 2025 is just begun. It's just begun. The war is on. The war is on to rescue our beloved Jamaica. To bring back our beloved Jamaica, where we all can live and strive together. Not just the 1%, the PSOJ, who have it all, and 99.9% of us is down here boxing shit out a dog mouth. It no have to go so. Jamaica is too rich. Jamaica is too rich for only the 1% to enjoy it. And 99.9% of us is there suffering. It cannot be. It must not be. And it must be a stopping to it. It must be a stopping to it. So this campaign and this journey that Aromatic is on, I will do everything in my power to make sure I see the back of the Andrew Holness-led administration without apology. I say that. Jamaica need to be rescued. It's not just the 1%. When the people vote for you, they give you that mandate to serve and to protect at the highest level, both locally and internationally, to make sure at all time you lobby on behalf of them, to make sure that no Jamaican get left behind under your administration. Your duty was to make sure that every single Jamaican at home and in the diaspora abroad live to his or her full potential under your administration. That is the mandate that we give to you. But you switch it around and enrich yourself and your 1% of the PSOJ, the oligarchs, and the little people with little money in Jamaica. It cannot be like that. And it must not be like that. And it cannot continue like that. Jamaica is for us. It's not for 1%. It's for 100% of us. The 99% of us must live. And the 1% who have their money must live. We must all live in unity, happiness. Cannot be. Only 1% of Jamaica is comfortable, and the 99% of us is hungry like dog. Cannot be, my brother. It cannot be. So this fight is to rescue Jamaica, so that my kids and my grandkids and my great-grandkids can own a piece of it and live in peace, joy, and harmony. That is the mission. That's my goal. To do everything in my power to make sure the Jamaican people that you oppress for the past 8 years see the back of you and the back of your administration. Anyway, my people, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share and follow us over YouTube. Make sure so you subscribe, and touch a little thing there. So, whenever I drop a video, you should be the first to know. And I always say, me don't want to keep no secret. Because I know sometimes we Jamaican, we're very selfish, When the thing nice, we want to keep it for ourselves, but not keep it for yourself. The message have to reach to the four corners of the globe. That's what I mean. We tell them, say, a John Good road. No man is an island. So therefore, not one of us can stand alone. Struggle is real. But we have wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. And if we apply, then there is nothing that can hold us down. There's nothing that can hold us down. We have to be our brothers and our sisters' keepers. You know what I mean? Move away from the selfishness. Move away from the selfishness, bro. We are all caretakers. Everything that we have in this life, it's only for a matter of time. Spread the love, man, and share it amongst your fellow man. You have 3-4 chicken in your fridge, and your neighbor the right side of you, they say the name source of food. It shouldn't be like that, man. It shouldn't be like that. Look out for your neighbor, man, as you look out for your own family. The signature word, my people. The signature word, my people. Heart of love. Heart of love. Heart of love. Peace. Out. The mission continue for the rescuing of Jamaica. Man.